Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In our last video, we covered step 2, verifying the invoice, where we talked about why invoice verification is important and how the three-way matching process works. Today, we're moving on to step 3, the approval process, a critical step before any payment is made. By the end of this video, you'll learn and degree 1, how the invoice approval process works. And degree 2, who is responsible for approving invoices. And degree 3, common approval bottlenecks and how to fix them. Let's get started. And degree 1, why is the invoice approval process important? Before an invoice gets paid, businesses must ensure that first, the invoice has been properly reviewed and verified. Second, the necessary approvals are obtained based on company policies. Third, there's a clear audit trail for compliance and accountability. Skipping this step can lead to unauthorized payments, cash flow issues, and even financial fraud, so it's essential to have a strong approval system in place. And degree 2, how does the invoice approval process work? The invoice approval process typically follows these steps. 1. Invoice submission. After verification, the invoice is submitted for approval. 2. Department review. The department that made the purchase checks the invoice details. 3. Manager approval. A manager or supervisor approves the expense if it meets the budget. 4. Finance team review. The accounting or finance team does a final check for accuracy. 5. Final approval and payment authorization. The CFO or senior management signs off on high-value invoices. Once all approvals are in place, the invoice is cleared for payment. And degree 3, common approval bottlenecks and how to fix them. Slow approval times. Delays happen when managers are unavailable. To fix it, use automated approval workflows to speed things up. Lack of clear approval policies. Who approves what? Confusion leads to delays. To fix it, establish approval limits and roles based on invoice amounts. Lost or overlooked invoices. Paper invoices can get lost, and emails can be missed. To fix it, use a centralized invoice tracking system to manage approvals. Best practices for a smooth approval process. Use automation. Many businesses implement invoice approval software to streamline the process. Set approval limits. Define who can approve invoices at different levels. Track approvals in real time. Keep an organized system to monitor pending approvals. Conclusion and next steps. To summarize. And degree 1, the approval process ensures invoices are properly reviewed before payment. And degree 2, clear approval policies and automation help prevent delays and errors. And degree 3, tracking invoices in real time improves efficiency and transparency. Next up in the series, step 4, recording the invoice. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.